Good morning, students. How are you? We have discussed about the end of Congress system in 1989, and we have discussed about the government of National Front from December 1989 to June 1991. After 1991, when elections were held in 1991, Congress won the majority and it was supported by AIDMK and some smaller parties, and at that time PV Narasimha Rao became the Prime Minister of India. In 1996, again the elections were held in the month of May, and for 13 days only BJP government was formed under the Prime Ministership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This was for 13 days only because Atal Bihari Vajpayee was not able to prove his majority, so he had to resign. Again in 1996, United Front government was formed. United Front government was formed in June 1996, and the Prime Minister of this United Front government was H.D. Deve Gowda. This government was also not having the clear majority, and it was supported by Congress from outside. After 1 year, again there was a split in this United Front, and from April 1997 to March 1998, Indra Kumar Gujral became the Prime Minister under the United Front, and this United Front was also supported by Congress and the left parties. So it is clear that this era is the era of coalition. In 1998, elections were held and BJP formed the government, but again this government was a coalition government. This is the first tenure of BJP. 13 months the BJP has ruled from March 98 to October 99. March 98 to October 99. Again elections were held and NDA government, National Democratic Alliance, was formed under the Prime Minister of BJP, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So again this was a coalition government. This is the second phase of NDA government under the leadership of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. As I have told you that some governments under the leadership of United Front or National Front, which were formed with the support of Congress or BJP from outside, these were unstable government. For example, in 1989, National Front got support from BJP earlier, and in next phase it got support from Congress. In 1996, United Front got support from Congress and left. This was to keep the BJP out of the power. So these political equations were unstable, and from here the era of multi-party system and coalition government started in India. A phase of multi-party system started in India, and here the regional parties started to play a crucial role in national politics because the big parties were not getting majority and they were forming the government with the support of regional parties. At that time, caste-based political parties were also formed. This was a new experience for India, that parties on the basis of caste were formed, and these parties also formed a crucial role in Indian politics. So students, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will continue with this chapter. Till then, goodbye.